Hi, Peter Jones, author, property investor and ex-chartered surveyor, and I want to show you something which I know I've shown you before, but it just keeps getting better and better, so I want to revisit it and show you how much this has improved over the last couple of years. And it's property data. Now, what is this all about? Well, one of the key things which we need as property investors is data. Data on our areas, data which can help us to make informed decisions as to whether we should be buying a particular property or whether we should be buying a particular property in a particular area, if we're looking for an investment area, whether that area is going to work out. It's all data, data, data. And I remember meeting Michael, who runs and owns property data, a couple of years ago, and he told me that he wants to make this sort of like the one resource which will give property investors all of the data that they need to make their informed decisions. So let me just take you through this really quickly, and this will be quick because I want to keep this video down to about 3, maybe 4 minutes max. So I'm really just going to sort of show you the headlines. This is the home page, and you'll see you're instantly confronted with 3 columns of links. There's the research column, which can take you into local data, into postcode data, into yield hotspots, into the newsroom about the latest property news. There's sourcing, property sourcing. Just here at the moment, at the time of recording, there's 13,864 unmodernised properties for sale. This data's being collected into a central point so you can find yourself a refurb property. 2,312 properties where a quick sale's needed. 437 repossessed properties, 2,000 cash buy only properties, and then there's land plots, and here it says 19 more lists. I'll click on that just to show you, and there's all sorts of stuff. If you want to pause the video and have a look, then do. There's all kinds of data there. Going back, there's also evaluate, so there's plot maps where you can find buildings and boundaries and ownership and the planning on properties. There's a valuation tool, so you can make an instant quick back of the fag packet valuation of a property. There's a finance finder tab, and then there's comparables. If you're wondering how much the property is worth, it'll help you find comparables. So I'm going to go into research and just click local data just to give you an idea. And I'm going to put in a postcode of my investment area, which is Gateshead up in the northeast, and we can see exactly what happens. Now you'll see over here on the left it says there's 750 different data points that you can select from. So if I just click this, it'll generate the data. So there's prices, there's rents, there's yields, there's growth in the area, there's activity, stock of property, all kinds of data that you can collect on this area, including prices for 1 beds, 2 beds, 3 beds, 4 beds, and so on and so on and so on. And there's even a browser extension which you can use so that property data will fire up while you're going through Rightmove and Zoopla and sites like that. So you can actually have additional information while you're browsing through. So if you'd like to try this for yourself, there's a free trial period. And then after that, you've got the choice of sort of the basic level, the pro level, or the max level. The basic level is only £14 a month, which is nothing, and then the pro level is only £22 a month. So to get your hands on all this data, including helping you source properties, helping you make sure you're buying the right property in the right area, making sure it is the right area for a start, I think it's amazing value for money. So if you'd like to take this further, I'm going to give you a link, which is propertydata.co.uk/TPT. That's /TPT, and you can go and have a look. You can sign up for your free trial period. And if you find it's as good as I say it is, which it is, you can then subscribe either to the basic or the pro or the max plan, whichever is right for you. Just to be fully transparent, if you use my link, which I hope you do, then if you do subscribe, I'll get a few quid. Not very much, to be honest, because I mean, you can see the subscription levels are actually very low. So there's not very much to actually give me. But there we are. This is the age we live in. I'm an affiliate, but why I'm an affiliate is not just to get sort of like £3 a month off you, it's because I really believe in this, and I think that what Michael's producing is a brilliant thing, and I just want to support him in this and help him to achieve his dream of having the resource which brings all of the data that we need together. So I hope you found that helpful. Here's to successful property investing.